Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. Now, this is what the customer's yard used to look like, as well as having a tremendous amount of erosion happening from the neighbor's yard. And this is what the landscape looks like now, with this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod throughout the entire landscape. We also focus on 4 different ways in order to deal with their customers' landscape drainage issues, one of which was tying in over 300 foot of gutter downspout piping and getting it off the landscape. Another was dealing with the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard by being able to use a larger rock, such as this river rock that you see here. Another was being able to use the beautiful decorative gravel as a way to give them a landing, as well as an area that didn't never stay a muddy mess. A next way was to put in this custom drain box design that allowed for me to be able to redirect all the water that was moving on this landscape to the lowest point and be able to take it off of the landscape by burying that pipe up under the ground, connecting it to our gutter downspout piping and moving it off to the front of the landscape. And then it doesn't say that we stopped there, because we just kept on going, guys. As you can see from the grade of this landscape, it was also necessary that we dealt with the water that was able to find itself right here in this area. So by being able to bring in this beautiful decorative gravel, it acted as a one-time solution and being able to give this customer a clear walking path from point A to point B on their landscape, even when it's raining or after it has finished raining. In addition, we focused on being able to make sure that that water fell to the path of least resistance. And the way that we did that was by making sure that we had a drain box design that would have allowed for that water to be able to fall. And as you look at this fall that we've created, it definitely says all of that water, guys, that was once being able to move on this landscape is now being taken into this drain box, and then it's going to be appropriated off the landscape by being able to go out of the gutter downspout drainage that we've also created on this side. But I didn't stop there, guys. I kept on going. I went ahead and dealt with the water that was moving on this side of the landscape by being able to come up with a custom dry creek bed design that allowed for me to be able to take back control over the landscape. And it truly did provide this customer with a solution that's going to last a lifetime. We're talking about this beautiful river rock and decorative gravel design that deals with the water that was being able to move on the landscape and sit there. Now that water is going to have to move through this aggregate, and it's going to be sucked up by the amount of rock that is here. And these are just some of the ways in which we continue to solve our customers' outdoor landscape drainage problem. And it's the reason we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. So if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, that's where we're at right now, and you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been solving customers' outdoor landscape problems for over a decade now, and we'll love to do the same for you. Got amazing reviews from a tremendous amount of our customers that can tell you all the great things about us. And it does say that if you've been following us over the last decade, you would have been able to see for yourself every single week we're transforming lives with our amazing outdoor landscape transformations, brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Have a good one, everybody.